In this lecture, we are going to start creating a GIF and an MP4. Now you have your timeline or your composition ready and the animation is at 100%, whatever you like. To create a GIF, the best way to do is to go to the Add to Adobe Media Encoder. Now, Adobe Media Encoder is supposed to pop up for you and the composition will be listed here. So the composition name is called marketing, and the way you want to render it, there are so many options here. You can choose an MP4, which is H.264, or you can use the GIF here, animated GIF. And then you can come to the output. So for me, I'm gonna put it on my desktop, simply on top of the desktop, and it's called marketing, and save. That's all there is to be done. And then you come to the green arrow here, it means everything is ready, and you click on it. It should not take long. In fact, it's very fast to render. Now you can preview your animation. Okay, it's over here for me. I will right click and open with, I will open with the Google Chrome. Here you are. And you can see your animation. It's pretty cool. Now, if you want to upload your animation to the course and show it to me, which I would love to, you can come to the course itself and ask a new question. And they say, course content. And then you go over here and you upload a photo. You can select the file. And of course, it's on my desktop. And you select it, double click on it. It will open. Udemy will upload it for you. And here you are. In your question, the animation will show, or the GIF file will show. It's very easy. You can write here a title, for example, my animation. Something like this. Cool. I'll close this one so we don't do it again. Now, let's go back to the Adobe Media Encoder. If you want to have an H.264, I will duplicate this one using Ctrl D. I will change animated GIF to H.264. Do not go MPEG 4. It is H.264. That's the codec. And this will create an MP4. You can leave it at match source, high bitrate, because our composition is 500 by 500. And you click OK, or you click the green arrow, and here you are. It's already done, if you notice. So now I have my video here that I can play. Pretty cool and pretty nice. Now you can take this MP4, upload it to YouTube, copy the link from YouTube and paste it in the Q&A of the course. I hope you will be doing that because it's very important so I can see your work. Now, one word also, if you come to After Effects here, I have done this animation. Okay guys, don't replicate it at 100%. Make it nicer, make it more beautiful. Make the phone, I don't know, coming earlier. If you press U, you can see the keyframes, and maybe at this stage here, you can move it a bit more. Okay, or maybe play a bit with the motion path. And you can see it's a quite beautiful animation now, or something, nice, something what you would like. It's very important that you execute this animation. And I want you to start by the interface of After Effects, which is very intimidating. I know. I want to start by doing animation. Make your mistakes. Don't worry. Ask me questions, but be there and create this first animation so we can really start in motion graphics in the next sections. I'll see you later.